In this video, I'm going to show you how to use ThinkTrader for backtesting. Now, the first thing you'll need, of course, is an account on Think Markets, and then you want to open up web.thinktrader.com, and then to be able to actually do this, you'll be, of course, have to use your live account. Now, you can do this with a demo account. You will need your live account. So in case you don't have one yet, make sure you first get it approved. Now, once you do that, over here on the left, you can see it says Traders Gym. So you want to click on Trader Gym, and here of course it's going to say to unlock it you're going to have to basically register, and you have to have an approved live trading account, and then the Traders Gym is your chance to test and hone your trading strategies in a safe and controlled environment. What this means is that this Traders Gym actually allows you to do backtesting inside ThinkTrader. Now you can always see over here on their website, by the way, I don't have a live account so I can't actually show you what it looks like, but this is how you actually backtest inside the Traders Gym. So on their website over here, you can see you can test your trading strategies using Traders Gym, and over here you can of course read this for yourself as well. It's available on their website over here, and basically you can test your strategies on historical data in just a matter of minutes. It's going to be very easy and convenient. You can see how it looks like over here. You can test very quickly and easily based on the data that was happening, and of course without losing anything actually. And then over here you can see all the benefits, how to get started, etc. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.